How to fix upside down screen on your PC Windows. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your upside down screen on your PC in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to your PC. This is the home page. Now click on your right mouse like this and click on the display settings. Now from here all what you have to do is go to display orientation, click on it, and now as you can see it's gonna be flipped or portrait or landscape. This is the normal mode. If I click it on flipped, as you can see, now it's upside down. Yeah. Now I hope this video was helpful, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.